Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we were looking at the rising wedge pattern and a bigger falling wedge pattern formed around this rising wedge pattern. And I told you that the price action is moving at the support of this rising wedge. And at the same time, it is trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge as well. And today we can see that the price action is breaking down the support of this rising wedge. So in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will move more down to retest the support of this rising wedge, or it will be moved up from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I have shared in the video's description. First of all, let me show you this chart that we have been discussing for so many previous days, and we can see that finally the price action, after moving zigzag between the support and resistance of this rising wedge pattern, it is breaking down the support, and at the same time it was again and again trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge as well. Okay, the rising wedge is considered as a bearish reversal, and on the other side, the falling wedge is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And we can see that the falling wedge pattern is bigger than this rising wedge pattern. Therefore, for example, at this time, as we can see that the price line is moving to the downside, it can retest the support of this falling wedge again. But from here, it can again reverse bullish to break out the resistance of this falling wedge. And in my previous video, I told you that after the breakdown, we need to wait for the daily closing below the support of this rising wedge and this price level support of $33,500, because this price level support has been working as a strong support previously as well. Like here, we can see it has been working as a nice support, and here as well, and here the price line. This price level support has been working as a nice support, and the price action has been bounced again and again by this support whenever it is moved at this $33,500 price level support. Therefore, this time the price action can also have another bounce by this support, and after that it can move to the upside. Now at this time we can see the price line is moving at $32,500. You can see the price level here, $32,552, and we are below the support of $33,500. If on the daily time frame we will have a closing below this level, and the price action can move more down to retest this support level that starts from $31,000 to $28,500, as we have already discussed that we have a very strong support zone here from $31,000 to $28,800. And if I place the trend lines here from $31,000, place the trend line here at $31,000, it is exactly at the $31,000, and to $28,800, and we can see that we are not even having closing below $31,000. Even here we had a very long spike up to $28,805, and the candlestick was closed at $32,509. That was above $31,000. And again, if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving here, when the price action first hit this $30,000 level here recently in the month of May, then we can see that we have a very weak interest of the traders in this zone, and to the upside we have very weak interest of the traders here. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving in this area, it is moving down towards this point of control of the volume profile, and whenever it is moving in this area, it is moving back towards the upside to this volume profile's point of control. Therefore, if the price line will be moved down here in this area where we have very weak interest of the traders, you can see, then it can be moved up towards this point of control like it is doing every time. So on the daily time frame chart, Now, if we will have the closing below the $33,500, like we are likely to have the closing below $33,500. We are already moving below this level and the support of this falling wedge. Then the price line may retest this zone that starts from $31,000 to $28,500. There are more chances that the price action will move here to retest this support of the falling wedge, and from here we will have another bullish reversal towards the upside. And there is another possibility that if the price action will be reverse bullish from here, from this $31,000 support level, then it will be a bullish bad pattern, because if I place this Fibonacci tool, this pattern tool here, then you can see that after this rally it is retraced or moved down from 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 0.786 to 0.886, and then for the completion of the final leg, it can retrace between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level, and from here it can be reverse bullish towards the upside. Soon I will share the targets for this bullish bad pattern as well, and then it can also break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well, because all the Fibonacci sequence of this move of the candlesticks is following the bullish bad pattern that is also another Fibonacci based bullish reversal pattern. So on the daily time frame chart, we may move more down in this zone, and on the weekly time frame chart we are still bullish. You can see that the MACD is giving us the bullish signals, stochastic is oversold for the very long time period, and we are also having very good support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.